Hey, Ratty, your mini-me doesn't look too good. You think you should be wearing gloves for this? Well, that is one stretchy little guy. Maybe all this guy needs is a little makeover. Let's add a little fire to your flair. Wow, aren't you a spicy little pepper? Let's play a game. Customize some Sprunki friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. The forecast doesn't say anything about rain. Probably should have mentioned the lightning, though. Don't worry, Vinaria. Just close your eyes, and we'll have you all fixed up. Try some antiseptic. Ooh, the bubbles mean it's working. Don't forget, save some for the face. Now wipe it off. And save the skeletons for Halloween. It's important to appreciate the skin you're in. You could use some extensions while we're at it. Now call the rooster. It's wake-up time. A happy meal. That's what I call a tip. Look, it comes with all of our Sprunki friends. They really help make the world a colorful place on a good day. Aw, got a headache. This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Durple's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Durple paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple. It's filled with slime. Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't eat it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble.
Wow!
Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vineria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race.
Yay! Uh-huh.
Look, it's our Sprunki friends. Hey, an eye. I wouldn't touch that if I were you. What did I tell you? Oh, this is just awful. I mean, I like slime, but not like this. Hold on, Mr. Black has something up his throat. Our Sprunki friends are back, just in horror mode. But maybe we should keep an eye on them. Let's see if we can find them again. Oh, Gray doesn't look too happy. Don't worry, Mr. Sun is here to help. But first, we gotta help him. After all, Mr. Sun likes to help things shine. Now let's get you something to eat. Try some fish. It's brain food. Just don't swallow the bones. You too. Ah, Gray's back to his old ashen face. Unfortunately, what goes in must come out. Yeah, make sure you wash those hands. But first, we should probably clean things up. Come on, let's find your spot. Huh, you'd think they'd be color-coded. Hey, there's something in your hair. A bug! Let's put it with the rest of them. Ooh, Veneria, you don't look so good. I've heard of bug eyes, but not like this. Some cucumber slices should perk things up. While you rest, let's clean up your hair. I'd say you could use a haircut, but I'm not sure all that stuff is hair. Let's wash it. Soon, it'll be its nice green color again. In fact, you'll be back to your whole verdant self. Speaking of green, Mr. Tree is here too. Of course, he's brought a rainbow's worth of flowers. Let them bloom, and you've got some new accessories. Ooh, let's grab her mini-me. Something must have happened at band practice. Ooh, slime! Probably best to drop this mic. Hold on, I think there's someone in here. Whoever it is, they've got big eyes. We should probably clean them up. Let them have a relaxing soak, and we can clear all this slime. I think we should match silver with silver. Now things are starting to look familiar. Ah, crafting is busy work. Wait, don't drink that! Return those eyes, and that hat too! It's Clucker, and he's got a surprise for you. Ew, how did you hurt your face? 'Cause it sure is killing me. Next, this should relieve some bloating. You swallowed a spider to catch the fly? You know, you don't eat the napkin. Besides, we can use it to wash up. Wow, someone's pretty and pinky. And the mini-me's are here to help. What's under here? A kitty? Look, another eye. And a bow. I think it's time to make some faces. Let's just hope it stays that way. Wow, those scissors sure are sharp. Just what we need for our next game. Hey, it's our old pal Bubba Fant. Sadness too? Noticing a pattern here? Let's see who's behind curtain number 3. It's a little hard to make out. Hold on. I think it's Sky, or it used to be. Don't worry, we'll fix you right up. Want something to bite down on? Now let's add some aloe vera. You'd be surprised what this stuff can do. We're almost done patching you up. Now you can rest those eyes. Hey, do you smell something? Ooh, someone's in need of a good tongue scraping. You know, it helps to chew your food. It also helps to stick to food. How do you even taste anything? This is going to take some advanced scraping. Of course, brushing's important too. Rock that smile, Simon. Hey, who's screaming? It's Tunner, I think. There's a hit the nail by the head joke in here somewhere. Now we should probably clean you up. Jeepers creepers, you could use some new peepers. The Scarecrow's not the only one who needs a brain. Forget the wizard. The mini-me's are here to help. Seems simple enough. Just gotta match the colors. Okay, we're almost done. Just a few more matches. Hold on, I don't think that's quite right. Yeah, orange and gold are easy to mix up. Don't worry, Garnold. We'll find your match. We did it! And we've got a new brain. Bandage him up. Good thing he wears a hat. Good thing Owaxiax has got a hospital gown. He looks like he could use a doctor. At least let's make him a new mouth. Next, let's clear up those dry eyes. Talk about a full body makeover. Let's see if we can find some donors. That's it? We're gonna need some more. Let's speed things up. Oh, everyone's being so generous. Still, it's starting to become a puzzle, literally. Well, we just gotta take things slow. And look for corner pieces. Gotta love corner pieces. Aw, now someone's back to their old limey self. Guess Oren needs our help next. Now, you might feel a slight pinch, but don't worry. Next comes nap time. How about we check her brain waves? Ooh, that doesn't look good. We should take a closer look inside. It's not easy getting others to open up. Let's get rid of all this excess gunk. She's getting a full rework. Now let's just patch her up. Next, it's time to collect some vital organs. Video games really prepared us for med school. Quick, while everything's still fresh. Now just put everything in its place. Almost done. Just need to close her up. Ooh, she's sounding better already. Okay, wake up, Sleeping Beauty. It's time to join your friends.